For us, it's not sweating the size of the data.
For those of us who use data and try and predict things with data, I'm not sure if the number of observations, and certainly not the disk space taken up by the data,
The problem is not one of additional knowledge. The problem is one of execution.
In order to really focus on people's decision-making and then their behavioral outputs.
It's really about how do you get tight on what matters to the company, what are you trying to solve for?
Because let's face it, big data, if you're in the middle of it, is really fun.
But when you can tie it to actual behavior, as we did in this case,
that ultimately we were measuring in business performance.
So connectivity is growing, and connectivity is also where you're going to get your value in terms of predicting the things that we care about.
And honestly, I think we've only scratched the surface.
I think it opens up a whole new avenue of research for this industry.
And I was able to use some of the cool new data analytic tools in order to do this batch of research.
It sounds like the answer is that we need to integrate all of these streams of data.
And if you put them all together, if you leave one piece out, it's really dangerous because in some sense, you can only see one fraction of the story.
And then how do you get more efficient with the data flow that you have?
I have more data than time.
Yeah.
This is a tool that helps me make the most of both.
And I finally, after 2.5 weeks of intense quantitative analysis, was able to fashion this chart right here. Thank you.